welcome back to our English video session. In this crash course, we are going to see the punctuation. We are going to see the punctuation. See, crash course means we are going to learn lot of information. We are going to get lot of information in a short period. See, in that we are going to see a topic is punctuation, and we are going to see what is punctuation, why do we need punctuation, what are the types of punctuation, and what punctuation marks and the types of punctuation. We are going to see all the thing in this topic. First, what is punctuation? We are going to learn. Now we are going to see what is punctuation. The English language has a system of symbols and signs known as punctuation. The English language has a system of symbols and signs known as punctuation. This is called as punctuation, and we are going to see why we need punctuation. Why we need punctuation? Punctuation shows us how to structure sentences and how each sentence should be. அதாவது ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் வந்து எப்படி நம்ம வடிவமைக்கணும், அந்த சென்டென்ஸ் எப்படி இருக்கணும் அப்படிங்கறதுக்காக தான் நம்ம பங்க்சுவேஷன் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்றோம். Then punctuation marks. We are going to see the punctuation marks. Full stop, comma, question mark, bracket, slash, hyphen. For full stop, this dot, then comma and comma symbol. Then question mark, you know familiar with the question mark symbol. Then bracket, open bracket, close bracket, and then square bracket, then slash symbol, then hyphen symbol. Now we are going to see the types of punctuation. We are going to see the types of sentences. That is types. See the types. Full stop. Full stop can be called as or also called as period. Full stop also can be called as period. See the symbol. Then comma. See the symbol of the comma. Then semicolon. Down and comma together we say as semicolon. Then colon. Two full stop. Up full stop and down full stop. We have that we call it as colon. Then see the question mark after each and every question. We put question mark no, that is called as question mark. Then exclamation mark. If we have any incident or situation, if you unbearable, if you are hearing any type of happy situation or unbearable situation, we use this type of exclamation mark. So these are the types of punctuation. First we are going to see the full stop. So we are going to see the full stop. This is the symbol. Full stop means marks the end of a sentence. Is the marks the end of a sentence. At each and every sentence we used to keep full stop. For example, we are going to see one sentence. Hema bought some sweets. The sentence is completed. So last we are putting full stop. Then second one is comma. Second one is comma. We are going to join two sentences. It indicates a natural pause in a sentence, or it is used to separate items in a list. Indicates a natural pause in a sentence. It is used to separate items in a list. For comma, we use for more than one items or two items. More than two items, we are using this comma. The comma symbol is here. For example, Adam bought apples, bananas, grapes, and cherry from the market. Adam bought more than two fruits. So we are using this comma. We are using this comma. Then question mark. We are going to see the question mark. See the question mark symbol. This question mark after each and every question we use this question mark. Indicates the end of a question. If question is completed, we use this question mark. For example, how are you? This question is completed, so we are using this question mark. We are going to see a few example sentences for punctuation. Here are the sentences. We are going to read the sentences and we are going to punctuate the each and every sentence. See, the first sentence is, did you find your rainbows? Did you find your rainbows? This is the question. The sentence is a question format. So we are going to put the question mark. The second one, the duck is yellow. The duck is yellow. See, the statement is completed. The sentence is completed. So we are going to give full stop. We are going to give full stop because the sentence is completed. It gives a statement. Hurry, it's raining. Hurry, it's raining. See, we are showing the expression raining. So here we are going to give exclamatory mark. Hurry, it's raining. Next, fourth one. Do you want to fly the kite? Do you want to fly the kite? See, this is the question type. It is not a sentence. It is a question type. The mother is asking to the boy, do you want to fly the kite? This is the question type. So we are doing question mark. And fifth one, it is so windy. It is so windy. See, it is so windy means they are expressing their climate, the climatic condition. So they are showing their emotions. So it is an exclamatory sentence. Then sixth one, Sally likes rainy drops. Sally likes rainy drops. She likes. So it is a statement or a sentence completed. So we are giving a period, that is full stop. Seventh one is, wow, look at that rainbow. See how they are beautifully, they are given the sentence. Wow, look at that rainbow. When we see the after the rain, when we see the rainbow in the sky, how you will feel? You will feel with full emotion and surprise. So this is an exclamatory sentence. So we can give the exclamatory mark. Then the eighth sentence is, Timmy went outside to play. Timmy went outside to play. Timmy is a boy or a whatever it may be, went outside to play. So the sentence is completed. So we are giving a period or full stop. The ninth one, where is the umbrella? Where is the umbrella? See, one person is asking to some other person, where is the umbrella? So this is the question format. This is the question form. We are asking, we are questioning. So we can give the question mark. This is the question type, so we are giving question mark. Then, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? See, if our body condition is not good, you will be asking now, how do you feel? What happened to you? Like that. See in this statement, question, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? So, it's the question format, so we will give a question mark. See the last sentence, close the door. Close the door. This is an order. Close the door. So, we can give full stop or a period. Thank you, children.